Well guys, I'm still at it, still going strong. Yes, I'm just having a little play with some contactors at the minute for the new power supply. Obviously 12 volt contactor, quite nice that one is. But those of you who are on my Facebook know I've been having a bit of a play tonight trying to get this thing up and running. I've got power to it now, but it's quite noisy. It's less noisy than it was earlier, but listen to this. Some of you may recognise this one. Photonic Induction's got one of these in his big beast. They are good, really good. Just, this one needs a bit of a clean. But I've just took it apart and tried cleaning it up. It needs more. Needs a lot more work. Let's just get in on the rating for you, if it will. There you go. Obviously I've already got one of these. Ignore that. And that, there were some LED projects. Yeah, they should sound more like this. That one's really, really quiet compared to this. Hey guys, obviously I'm still at it, I'm still going strong, but stay tuned because there is some big videos coming. Let's just say the PT came out to play about a week and a bit ago. I think maybe more than that, I can't remember now, but yeah, I am actually editing the video for that, but at the same time I'm also building all this. Well, rebuilding. This gazebo was actually built by, well, there's quite a few of us actually, brothers, parents. It was at my mum and dad's old place, but they've recently left Birmingham and gone to live out in Worcester. I can't see a pissing thing. There we go. So yeah, I thought, why not? It's got to come down and be rebuilt. Oh look, we have some power out here as well. I haven't tidied it up yet. This flex needs to be shortened and be boxed in. That needs to be changed for a waterproof system. Oh god, this little light, I love this little light. High 1 voltage 1 rolls, dude, you know this thing. When it wants to work, I haven't turned it on, dickhead. Oh, for God's sake. It needs wiring in properly. I need light switch or something up there. They are pretty cool, they're only 10 watts. But remote control, I think that needs a new battery in it, to be honest. But you do get quite a nice, decent amount of colour on it. Or you can just have it plain white like I do. Oh, that's better, I can see. Yeah. Yeah. I am going strong guys, I am making a comeback. We are going for gold again on this channel. Like I say, I've just been really busy. I mean, even with this, if I'm focusing on this, that is a 2 watt LED pendant and it's your box standard light fitting. I've had to modify the bayonet cap on it. Well, to have a bayonet cap it was an Edison. And basically, yeah, the lamp actually fits in one of these. This one don't work anymore. And I thought, nice touch, 2 watts. That's absolutely perfect for out here, for chilling. So yeah guys, Oh yeah, this little thing. It's actually a temperature sensor, so when it gets a bit too warm in summer and that, I can set this to actually blast 2 fans out here, and that will run a fan up to, I think it's maximum current load with the 2 fans together is 16 amps. Quite a decent little piece of kit. It's actually out of the fridge. There you go. I'm just playing with it at the minute. I'm getting it up and running. So guys, please stay tuned, because we are going for it soon. Just give you a little shot of, yeah, the whole beast. Yeah, obviously you know the shed, the decking, but the gazebo is the new optional, and obviously all that decking is going to continue in there. Doesn't really need any side walls on it, because the overhang is quite substantial. It keeps the rain out. All waterproof. So guys, I will see you soon. Bloody voice is going. Thank you. Anyway, be safe.